IOE 413, Mathematical Preliminaries Study Guide. This question begins with the linear program shown here. Let us associate dual variables with each constraint. Pi sub 1, pi sub 2, pi sub 3. Let us suppose that there's an optimum solution to both the primal and dual problem, and that the optimal dual solution pi star sub 2 is not equal to 0. The question asks us to make an inference about the part of the second constraint on the left-hand side here, if pi star sub 2 is not equal to 0. So it wants us to say, what is 5x1 star plus x2 star plus 3x3 star plus 8x4 star. So it says, given this information, the statement of this problem, pi star sub 2 is not equal to 0, what can we infer about that quantity right here? This on the left-hand side of the second constraint. So let's address this problem by using complementary slackness conditions. Recall that one complementary slackness condition is A I dot x star minus B sub I times pi star I is equal to 0 for all I. Well, pi star sub 2 not equal 0 implies, because of this condition, it implies that A2 dot x star minus B sub 2 equals 0. And the reason for that is, for this equality to be true, either pi star sub I has to be equal to 0, or the quantity in these parentheses has to be 0, or both has to be 0. Okay, one, the other, or both. And since pi star I is not equal to 0, what's here in the parentheses has to be equal to 0. And that's just what we've written down here. So if we apply that to actually our problem, we have 5x1 star plus x2 star plus 3x3 star plus 8x4 star minus the right-hand side, the b sub 2, which is 55, that's equal to 0. That's just writing this out with the details of our problem. Therefore, 5x1 star plus x2 star plus 3x3 star plus 8x4 star is equal to, just bring 55 to the right-hand side, is equal to 55, and that's the answer. The problem wanted us to make an inference about this quantity here, and using complementary slackness, and the fact that pi star 2 is not equal to 0, we can deduce that this quantity here is equal to 55.